Today we're going to be making avocado egg rolls from one of my favorite restaurants. Inside the actual egg roll, I'm going to be using avocado, red onion, some cilantro, salt, and sun-dried tomatoes. For the dipping sauce, our cilantro to make it nice and bright green, our green onion, a bunch of garlic, cashews, as well as honey and a little bit of vinegar. We do want this to be on the sweeter side. So we've blended up our sauce. For now, I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna start on our filling for the egg roll. This isn't really the best knife for chopping, it's just kind of my preferred kitchen knife. Sun-dried tomatoes pack so many nutrients and they're sitting in olive oil. This is good for your skin, good for your hair, there's antioxidants. So when you're at the store and you're not sure if the avocado is gonna be ripe or not, pull this little top off, and if it's green inside, that's how you know that the avocado is soft and ready to eat, but also still fresh. So I'm just gonna do big slices. I don't wanna make guacamole. This is like food for your soul. Now we're gonna crack an egg. Now we're gonna drop our avocado egg rolls into the avocado oil, just enough to submerge. So I'm gonna cook 2 at a time. You want to go at a really sharp angle here. So beautiful, and that's why we leave the slices whole so that you can really see the avocado in there. So good.
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
That makes me happy.